Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Angkita Shorna.
What can I call you?
Actually, everyone calls me Shorna. It's my nickname. You can call me Shorna.
Okay, Shorna, nice name. What are you studying?
I have recently completed my SSC examination.
Yes. Okay, what did you choose this particular course?
Actually, after I completed my SSC examination, I will admit in a good college for completing my SSC examination.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is higher math because I am good at math, and also whenever I do math, that time I get refreshment.
What job would you like when you completed all your studies?
From my childhood, I want to be a doctor, and that is why after completing my SSC examination, I will admitted a medical course, and then I will give medical examination.
Okay, nice. I would like to ask you some question about the internet. Are you ready?
Of course.
Okay. Do you use the internet?
Yeah, I use internet.
Okay. Are children allowed to use the internet at your school or in your country?
In my country, children are not allowed to use mobile phone in school campus or school classes.
Okay. Do you think that the internet is useful for study?
Yes, internet is too much useful for a study, and also it has many bad sides, and it has also good sides. Like if any student use internet for their study purpose, they will get best result.
Okay. Have you ever used internet to buy something from online?
Yes, 2 years ago I brought a dress from internet, and I were cheated from a page.
Okay. Are there any danger of buying things from online?
Yes, I think it is very dangerous for buying things from online because of there are many pages which is not real.
Okay. Let's now talk about your last birthday. Can you please talk about your last birthday? How do you celebrate your last birthday? And what was your feeling?
Yes, why not? Actually, in my parents didn't celebrated my birthday, and they don't like to celebrate birthday because of them are very related to our religion, and they also think that it is haram in our religion, and that is why they didn't celebrated my birthday. But in my last birthday, I was very shocked whenever I saw that they celebrated my birthday. Actually, my birthday date is 26 September, and then whenever it was 25 September 2024, that time at 12 a.m. I was very sad because I was know that they will not celebrated my birthday, and whenever it was 12 a.m. that time my parents came to my house, came to my room, and they wishes me, and I was very surprised because of they never wishes me like that. And whenever they wishes me, they also said that we brought a gift for me, and I was very surprised and also shocked. And they gave me a mobile phone, and I was too much shocked whenever I feel that it is mine. It is my mobile phone. I was very shocked.
Okay, this is a nice story you have ever seen. Now our speaking test is complete.